Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to refresh C drive for fast running. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to click on this PC. Now click your C drive and click the right button of your mouse and click on Properties. Here you can see the option of Details. You have to click on it. Now scroll down. Here you can find the option of Refresh. You have to click on it. So this is how you can refresh your C drive for fast running in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.